Welcome back once again. This is Mukul Yudhveer Singh for ET Auto. We are here at ACMA 2025, and standing me is a special guest, Mr. Ashok Minda of Spark Minda. Ashok sir, how are you and welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I wanted to understand, sir, all the announcements that have been made recently, GST and CES, everything that has been going on. What kind of an effect do you see on the overall industry, including the components as well as the end vehicle? What effect do you see?
I think the most important is the sentiment. The sentiment has become very positive. The GST reduction will improve the lot of sentiment of the actual user of with a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, and we have seen in the past also. If the sentiment is positive, the demand is going to increase. How much this will grow, what percentage this will grow, it is difficult to say, but I think that will give an impact to the to the auto component. Also to give the benefit to the auto component industries, because auto component is a very big opportunity. One is if you see the entry level about 3-4 years back or 5 years back was 3 lakhs to 4 lakh rupees of a car, but now that has increased from 3-4 lakhs to 10-12 lakh rupees a car, the entry level, and the sheet metal or the plastic has not increased in the car. Only the features has increased, and that too is the premiumization. What component we are making, so that has been premiumized. So that is the big advantage of the component industries.
Speaking of premiumization, sir, the new trend in the industry at the moment is becoming a systems integrator instead of just a component supplier. Do you see this happening for more years, becoming a system integrator?
First of all, the fact is the Indian component industries was not investing in R&D or innovation. But for the last few years, the Indian component industries has also started investing in technology. And to start with the technology, first is the premiumization, as I mentioned you, then the system integration, because now the standalone components is not going to stand. It will club with the various other products. So hence, when the innovation is there and the cost reduction or the cost benefit also is very important for OEMs. So by doing this system integration, A, the cost will come down, B, the technology is very important. So all these things is happening, and I think this will happen, the integration, because one is attached with the other things.
Interesting. And apart from investing in technology and R&D, why would an OEM speak to a component maker? What benefit would it give to the OEM if the component maker is shifting towards becoming a system integrator?
See, everything cannot be done by the OEMs. They have to, because their designing or their technology is to design the vehicle and do that. So they have to go to the component manufacturers. Spark Minda has invested good money, and regular we are investing about 4% on our turnover in engineering, and the purpose is that the OEMs gives us to make the solution and to fulfill their requirement. So that is what is we are integrating. We are giving the proposal to the customer, so that is every component industry has to do it, which we have seen in the past all European and US or Japanese companies doing. So we have to increase our technology level.
One last question, sir. Does this mean that being a system integrator is also more fruitful than being just a component supplier?
See, it is not the easy job to integrate that. Lot of technology is involved in various components, and then you have to integrate with merger of various technology. So definitely it will give the advantage to the customer for cost reduction, for upgradation on the technology. The software integration is not going to be the standalone. It is going to be the integrated with all. So putting together is going to give the advantage, and that is what is Spark Minda is doing for the last 3-4 years. We have around now 900 people who is doing only the R&D and technology area. So it is a big opportunity for India, I would say that.
Perfect. Thank you, Ashok sir. That was Ashok Minda from Spark Minda. And as you've heard clearly, that Spark Minda has been following the approach for over 4 years now. So it is evident that it is evident now that component makers are going to be the new system integrators. This is Mukul Yudhvir Singh signing off for ET Auto.